Landscape your yard in no time in Pleasanton. Building your dream lawn may seem like a daunting task, but with a little planning and some elbow grease, it can be a reality. Whether you're looking to relax in your patio or entertain friends and family, a well-designed lawn can provide the perfect setting. And what better place to start than in Pleasanton, California, the home of beautiful weather and some of the best lawns in the country. Start by thinking about your goals for your lawn. Do you want a place for your kids to play? A place to grow fresh vegetables? A place to relax and enjoy the fresh air? Once you have a clear idea of what you want, you can begin making plans. If you're not sure where to start, there are plenty of online resources and books available that can help you get started. Building your dream lawn may take some time and effort, but it's ultimately a rewarding experience. Not only will you end up with a beautiful outdoor space, but you'll also enjoy the process of bringing your vision to life. So what are you waiting for? Get started on making your dream lawn a reality today. At Construction Remodeling in Bay Area, we are dedicated to helping our clients achieve their dream lawn. Whether you are looking to remodel your existing lawn or build a new one from scratch, our experienced team is here to help. We are based in Hayward, but we serve clients throughout Pleasanton, California and the surrounding area. We are proud to be one of the most popular construction companies in the area, and our Google reviews speak for themselves. If you are looking for a company that is friendly, professional, and committed to quality, look no further than Construction Remodeling in Bay Area. Contact us today to get started on your project.